Let's do it. 570. She's Virginia, right? Out of towners. Is it 570 here?
Yeah.
You're doing something.
All right, what do I do?
Call it some more times.
All right, let's do it. I like it. If my life depended on selling her a car, this is what I would do. Gotta press click. Someone paying me to be here today. Ooh, it didn't go. She didn't claim me.
Hello?
Hi, Nora.
Yes, who is this speaking?
Nora, it's Kyle from the dealership. Thank you for taking my call. Sorry, what car's she on?
Oh, hello.
Yeah, I'm so glad I got you on the phone. The reason I'm calling you is it looks like we got that you wanted.
No, I don't think so. Wait, with me.
Oh, cool. You're driving a company.
Yeah, I am.
Hey, would you sell that company?
What dealership are you from? Oh, okay. I mean, why? I'm okay with it.
No, we need to buy vehicles right now. So the reason I was calling you is we have some I think you may be interested in, and just want to thank you for getting your vehicle payoff checked on there. And I want to buy yours. I'd like to see it if I could.
I'm not available today. I'm busy. I'm at work right now. Is it possible you guys can give me a call back later?
Yeah. Or I could text you and then just let me know a day that may be good for you. Do you think maybe Saturday would be okay?
I'm not sure right now. I'm at work. I'm trying to do a million things at once.
All right, cool. I'm gonna text you. Just text me back, and I promise I wouldn't be calling you if we didn't want to buy your vehicle.
Okay, alrighty. Sounds good.
All right, look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
So I goofed up there because I didn't look at the lead source. How did we get that lead? What was that? She went on and she got her payoff is all she did. She just checked her payoff. So I'm going to text her right now. Hey, I should have looked at the notes. I thought it was a SoCal lead. We want to buy your... She may have just done it out of curiosity.